IE University Publishing leads the creation of innovative materials with our case studies and interactive tutorials. These multimedia materials include videos, graphics, exercises, and other interactive elements that, together with gamification and storytelling, enhance motivation and engagement. Our case studies and tutorials allow students to practice in controlled environments, make decisions, and apply concepts dynamically, without risks, but with real impact. Our interactive resources are intuitive, easy to use, and seamlessly implemented in in-person blended or online classes, making them the perfect complement to maximize learning experiences. They are designed by professionals and expert professors, using real-world examples, success stories, and challenges from companies and organizations. With more than 250 interactive educational materials, we are leaders in the industry.
Working in real case studies is a great way for us to learn what challenges the companies face on the day-to-day, and also to apply all the learning that we are acquiring and see how it's useful.
Explore our catalog to see how our multimedia materials are changing the way we learn and teach.